What if I told you, you don't need a big, expensive bike to explore the world? This 300 cubic centimeters machine might just be the ultimate budget adventure bike for the USA. Meet the 2026 Honda Sahara 300 Adventure. Hey guys, welcome back to SG Riders. If you love motorcycles, adventure, and exploring new roads, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting entry-level adventure bikes, the Honda Sahara 300-2026. This bike is designed for riders who want freedom, versatility, and affordability, all in one package. So, is this the perfect beginner ADV bike? Let's find out. Design and road presence. Let's start with the design, and honestly, this bike looks way more expensive than it actually is. The Sahara 300 carries a true adventure DNA, heavily inspired by larger machines like the Honda Africa Twin. From the front, you get a tall windscreen, giving you better wind protection on highways. Something super important for US riders covering long distances. The LED headlight setup looks sharp and modern, while the aggressive body panels give it that rugged, off-road ready appearance. And then there are the spoke wheels, which are not just for looks. They're built to handle rough terrains like dirt, gravel, and rocky trails. Overall, the bike has a commanding road presence. Whether you're riding through city traffic or parked at a scenic viewpoint, it stands out. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about the heart of the machine. The Honda Sahara 300 is powered by a 293 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, producing around 24 to 25 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. Now, this might not sound like a lot on paper, but in real-world riding, it's more than enough. This engine is tuned for smooth delivery and reliability, which is exactly what Honda is known for. In city conditions, the bike feels light, responsive, and easy to maneuver. On highways, it can comfortably cruise at moderate speeds without feeling stressed. And when you hit off-road trails, the torque delivery helps you maintain control and confidence. This is not a race bike, it's an exploration machine. USA riding experience. Now let's talk about how this bike fits into the USA riding lifestyle. In the US, riders need a motorcycle that can handle daily commuting, long highway rides, weekend adventures, and the Sahara 300 checks all those boxes. The upright riding position keeps your back relaxed, reducing fatigue on long rides. The wide handlebars give you better control, especially when riding off-road. And thanks to its lightweight nature, it's perfect for beginners who don't want to struggle with heavy bikes. Whether you're cruising through city streets, exploring national parks, or riding through mountain roads, this bike adapts easily. Features and technology. Now let's move to the features, and this is where things get interesting. For a budget ADV bike, the Sahara 300 offers some really useful tech. Full digital instrument cluster, gear position indicator, USB Type-C charging port, dual-channel ABS for safety, fuel injection system. Some expected additions could include slipper clutch for smoother gear shifts, traction control, depending on variant. These features make your ride safer, more convenient, and more modern. You're not just buying a bike, you're getting a complete riding experience. Off-road capability. Now comes the most exciting part, adventure performance. The Sahara 300 is built to go beyond the road. It comes with 21-inch front wheel, long travel suspension, high ground clearance, lightweight frame. This means you can confidently ride on heavy check-marked dirt roads, heavy check-marked gravel paths, heavy check-marked mountain trails, heavy check-marked desert terrain. The suspension absorbs bumps easily, while the lightweight design helps you stay in control. Even if you're new to off-road riding, this bike makes it feel easy and fun. Comfort and touring. Adventure bikes are not just about power. They're about comfort. And the Sahara 300 does a solid job here. The seat is designed for long rides. Upright posture reduces fatigue. Fuel tank capacity, 14 liters, offers decent range. For solo riders, it's perfect. For two-up touring, it's still comfortable enough. You can easily spend hours on this bike without feeling exhausted. Price and value, USA market. Now let's talk about the most important factor, price. If Honda launches this bike in the USA, the expected price would be around backhand index pointing right $5,000 to $5,500. And honestly, that's where this bike becomes a game changer. Because at this price point you're getting Honda reliability, adventure capability, modern features, daily usability. Most ADV bikes in the US are either too expensive or too heavy for beginners. But this one hits the perfect balance. Cross swords competition. In the US market, the Sahara 300 would compete with bikes like KTM 390 Adventure, BMW G310 GS. Compared to these, the Sahara 300 could stand out by offering heavy checkmark better affordability, heavy checkmark simpler maintenance, heavy checkmark Honda reliability. It may not be the most powerful, but it could be the most practical choice. Final verdict. So, is the 2026 Honda Sahara 300 Adventure worth it? Backhand index pointing right, yes, especially if you are a beginner rider, a budget-conscious buyer, someone who loves adventure riding. This bike offers heavy checkmark versatility, heavy checkmark comfort, heavy checkmark reliability, heavy checkmark real-world usability. It's not about speed, it's about freedom and exploration. So guys, what do you think about this bike? Would you ride the Sahara 300 in the USA? Let me know in the comments below. Backhand index pointing down. And if you enjoyed this video, backhand index pointing right, hit that like button, thumbs up. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe to SG Riders Bell. Backhand index pointing right, share this video with your friends. Because here, we bring you the best bikes, latest updates, and real rider content. This is SG Riders. See you in the next adventure.